So, what is the impact of new technology in health?
I think healthcare today is so intimately linked to technology that you can't really talk about anything that doesn't use technology anymore. Even if you're looking at the very, very old-fashioned medical consultation outpatient between the family doctor and the patient, you still have now tools that empower that. And you're talking about electronic medical record that has been there for decades, but you're looking now at transcribing the medical consultation for the medical record. You're looking at tools that help the prescription. You're looking at tools that help with referral to relevant other investigations. You're looking at large solutions that are parsing the database in order to identify potential glitches. This is just for the primary care. But look at everything else. Look at devices. Look at the opportunity to embed new tools and new sensors in the existing medical devices. Look at the possibilities to embed new AI-enabled software in order to help diagnostic as a co-pilot, because we are still in a position where we cannot rely upon full diagnostic provided by the AI, more for regulatory reasons, because probably the accuracy is already exceeding that of human specialists, but still we have to provide that as a co-pilot for the specialists such that we can improve the outcome. And then you look at the fact that we have immense databases that have been gathered in the last 20 years, and it's the first time in history when we have the tools to parse those very large LLM, very large language models, and to identify trends and to launch hypotheses that are tested. It's the first time when humans are not necessarily the ones that are launching the hypothesis, but you have artificial intelligence that is doing that. And we can, by putting the two things together, we're building a whole new level of reality. And I think the opportunities of coming up with new revolutionary solutions to prolong human life, to cure existing diseases, to create the next level of ourselves as humans, is everything there is connected to technology.